Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a Park Industries petrol lighter advertising Par Industries Inc. of New IBERIA, Louisiana. This lighter probably has the nicest graphics that I have seen on a Park Industries lighter. Looks like two colors, blue and yellow. An oil derrick is depicted. Very cool. I'm not sure what the image on the left there is. Maybe we can see when we get it up here a little closer. A very nice lighter. It does have some flaws, but overall probably the nicest park lighter that I have had. It does show corrosion, scuffs, scrapes. Not very many. It's in very good condition as far as the finish, at least on the front. There's something here, I'm not sure if the plating is getting thin or something looks a little off right here. But there are also some spots on the back where it looks as though the plating corroded and you can see the base metal through it. Anyway, still a very nice lighter with a very shiny finish and outstanding graphics. I'm not sure what that is on the left, some sort of a tower or crane that is pulling that P off the top. Looks to me like the bottom here might be depicting water, so I don't know if they might have been involved with drilling on land and offshore. I don't know, just a guess. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like Dependable Flame and DependableFlame.com across all the social media platforms. That'll be Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. That flint was a little rough a while ago, so let's give that another try. Yeah, I just put the flint in there right before the video. And of course fueled it. It's got a solid fuel cell in it. The case is I believe, chrome plated brass. The insert is mostly aluminum and very lightweight, with the solid fuel cell and a metal flint spring screw, which is not exactly common in Park Industries lighters. You see a lot of those plastic screws that bleed their color down into the fuel cell. This fuel cell, I don't believe, has really been used, but it has been now. It is not marked in any way as Park Industries, but a lot of them were like that as well, especially in the Murfreesboro era, when they seemed to have mostly been made out of aluminum. It really does bother me that that plating has gone, or that chrome has corroded, or whatever that is. But as you can see, the lighter would display extremely well, and the graphics are outstanding. So you can always get hung up on a blemish or what a lighter is not, but in reality, why not celebrate it for what it is and what you can appreciate from it, and the artistic appeal, the aesthetic beauty. Make sure to get over to eBay and check out the dependableflame.com store. Every purchase that you make there will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with at least 10% of each purchase going to the charity. We also have 3 penny start auctions each month. They last 10 days apiece, usually start within a day of one ending. I provide free shipping. The high bidder gets the lighter, pays the money, charity gets all of that, and everybody is happy. That does look like maybe the plating has been worn or just weak right there. Makes me think again of the fact that don't think I've ever owned a mint condition lighter. Even the brand new ones seem to have something, some blemish or some flaw. But blemishes or not, you just can't walk out into stores and pick these up today. So I will choose to appreciate them for what they are. And as we've talked about many times before, the Park lighters are very good once you get them fueled right. They spark well. They're just as good in most cases as a Zippo. Maybe that hinge wears out a little bit sooner because of the brute force nature of the design. But for you just to put one in your pocket and carry around, make a fashion statement, or to display as you do your other lighters in your collection, Park stand right there beside them all. If a person only collected Park Industries lighters, they could have a collection that anybody would be proud of. Don't sell the Park lighters short. The riveted hinge. As I said, this does show scuffs, scrapes, plating loss, perhaps some paint loss. If there is, it's minor. Very nice graphics on a very old advertising petrol lighter for some sort of business in the oil field industry. Until next time.